Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is the last day of Christmas, the arrival of this year, and I would like to wish you all a wonderful Christmas. Have the most magical time of the year with your loved ones, friends, family. So Merry Christmas everyone. May the joy of the season stays in your heart all the new year. So with this note, I'll finish my greetings and let's come back to the advice. I collected those huge pine cones from Mother Nature last year. I gave them a thorough clean. They were full of saps. So basically I submerged them into alcohol gel and let them for a good 15 minutes. Once the saps was melted, I rinsed them very good and left it to dry. This is how I clean them. Maybe there are better ways of how to do it, and if you know, let me know in the comments below. It would be very appreciated. But before working that in, we are going to grab some of this ribbon and glue it to the top. Make sure you use a lot of hot glue. It keeps everything in place. Then work in your greenery and the rest of your decorations. Feel free to choose any materials you want, whatever color schemes matches your home the best. finishing off, I'm adding small bubbles, some sparkly gold stamps. After that, hang it up and you have a beautiful and expensive design. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and follow, and I will see you next year.